Drop top time here at Unique, especially in classics. 2011 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible SS. As you can see, writing on the black wheels, black paint, black top, and then kind of a dark gray cloth interior. Of course, powered by the 6.2 liter underneath the hood, and that is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Nicely equipped with that SS package. Another nice thing about this car, confirmed mileage and clean Carfax. Mileage on this one, 35,484 is what is on the odometer right now. We're going to start it up, let you check out the interior underneath the engine bay here in just a second. Now, if you want to give us a call, 507-386-1726, and uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see the still pictures. You'll see underside pictures of the car with the top up, top down, and we'll go ahead and finish this video up with the top up too, so you can see the condition of the top. It is black, so you are going to find a few small imperfections here and there, maybe a touch up along the line in the front where it's picked up a little rock chip on the fascia, but has been well cared for. And as you can see, nice reflection coming off the passenger side and up and down the passenger side. Car is nice and straight, not really full of much for door dings, nicks, anything like that along the side of it. Interior bucket seats, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out some more of the options as we get into the interior and look around. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Few minor mods tastefully done to this car. It does have exhaust upgrade. It looked like to me Borla exhaust on the underside. I can't 100% confirm that, but it's got a little bit of a throatier bark to it, and also has headers and cold air intake, which is going to help out with that. Go ahead and take a look up and down the driver's side here. Those wheels are in nice shape, obviously. One little scuff I think I seen on this one, if I remember right, just a little bit along the edge, and you'll be able to check those out in the still pictures too. One little spot on the door, I don't even know if I can quite get it to show up if you can see it. I mean, look at the reflection coming off that all the way to the front door, but there's one just little spot that I kind of noticed. It's tough to get it to show up in the camera because it is very small. It's what you'd expect for a car with 36,000 miles on it. All right, let's check out this interior. So, of course, power locks, power mirrors. Trunk release, of course, would be down here. If you're going to put the top up and down, make sure you have the divider in the correct position in the trunk. It's going to make that top operate a lot easier. Otherwise, it's going to tell you to adjust things in the trunk. All right, as far as seat, you can see it's free of rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Much of any wear, really. Take a look at the dash. Do have dash in nice condition. Driver's information center, of course. Steering wheel controls for the radio. Again, nicely equipped. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. Check out that engine bay. Look at the exact miles. In here, they got a little bit of a throaty exhaust to it. There's your miles, 35,484. And as you can see, no warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Just getting the flashing seat belt warning for me. Heat and HVAC controls, stereo, that is all in functioning order. All right, nice little Lobe idle. Good sounding exhaust. Slip around to the back and check that out. Little different tips on it also, it looks like. Again, 6.2 liter. Underneath the hood, stock, that would be 426 horsepower, 420 pound-feet of torque. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second, get that hood popped, and let's check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, something else I want to mention about this car, as you can see from that hood liner, this car has not been driven in winters. This car has been in our area since it was new. Again, clean Carfax, confirms miles, and like I said, it has not been driven in inclement weather, no winters. You would see salt residue, grime, debris on that hood liner. If you've ever been around the colder states, this car is not going to move around once that snow flies. It's not going anywhere. It's going to sit and spin. There's that cold air intake I mentioned earlier. Nice, tidy engine compartment. Wow. And also smooth running 6.2 liter. Headers were also installed on that, as you can see down there, if I mentioned that earlier. That's why it sounds so good. It's breathing a little bit better. A little easier exhaust exiting on this one, the way it's opened up. Also ran the top up since I was inside, popping the hood. And as you can see, black cloth. Nice shape, no rips, tears, holes. It's going to serve the purpose. Rear glass window, rear defrost. Top is also in nice shape, and the power function works just as it should, going up and down. So no surprises there. So like I said, have that trunk compartment divider in the correct position for running the top up and down. 2011 Camaro SS convertible. Clean Carfax, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.